Thank you. So it's my pleasure to welcome Satyendra Pasalapudi. Satya is Managing Director for Infolob. I will allow him to introduce himself a little bit later, but I just wanted to say that Infolob is a partner that we've seen tremendous success with in FY22 in India on the cloud side, both with existing and new customers. And it's a pleasure to welcome Satya to participate with us on the ANC Excite, the first one for FY23. Thanks a lot, Satya, for taking the time and welcome. Share a little bit about yourself and about Infolob as an organization and the partnership with Oracle, please.
Thank you, Siddharth. And first of all, thanks to Oracle as well, and excited to be part of the Excite program. So I'm Satyendra Kumar Pasalapudi, having a 22 years of experience in the industry, started my career as an Oracle DBA. That's where myself and my CEO, Vijay Cherpuri, are big fans of Larry, which is driving us till today what we are. I was an ex-Oracle. I was with the Oracle Consulting Solution Center as the Director of Platform Architecture for the OCI side of the business in the EMEA and Japan. And prior to that, I was the co-founder and immediate past president for the All India Oracle Users Group, as well as the India's first ACE director, Oracle ACE director on the database side. So coming back to the organization, I joined Infolob as a partner and responsible for business in India, APAC, as well as the EMEA. In January 2021, I joined them, and it's been a fantastic year for the last 1 year with OCI. So as an organization, it is a 13-year-old organization having its headquarters in Texas, and we do only Oracle. We are an exclusive Oracle partners. Started our journey on Exadata, being go-to partner for Exadata in North America. And lately we started on Oracle Cloud. We have offerings on SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. And as a company, we believe that the certifications and expertise. So we have 25 expertise on OCI, 25 expertise on the complete, and out of them 8 are on OCI, including the OCVS. And we are currently 350 plus globally, and we already have 100 plus people are going to join us shortly, and we have a ramp up plan up to 400 going forward in India itself overall.
Thank you. Thanks, Satya, for that. Among the few wins we had with you as we started on this journey on OCI in India, the one that stands out for me is the work you did at Magma HDI. And tell us a little bit about that. Tell us what were Magma's challenges, what is the specific role that Infolob played along with Oracle. And most importantly, what are some of the customer challenges that we solved and outcomes that we drove for them?
Sure, Siddharth. So before coming on to the Magma, I wanted to just add one point that Infolob has expertise not only on the Oracle workload migration to OCI, but non-Oracle workloads. That makes us the complete data center migrations specialization company. So Magma HDI, we were working on a pre-sale side where they are, Magma is part of the Punewala FinCorp, which is the famous Covishield Aadhar Punewala's group. But during the acquisition, because of the IRDA, they have to maintain that Magma brand as a separate brand for a few years, and they have a stringent timelines to have a DR, and that's where it all started, where the incumbent vendor was not able to support on the OCI side of the story, and that's where we pitched in, and we have showcased our capabilities that how we can help them on getting a DR on OCI very quickly. It was only a few months they wanted to go ahead on OCI side of the story, and we have the capabilities right across from the security side, from the performance, non-Oracle workloads like the Microsoft side of the story, the SQL Server, and they were used. We have to replicate what they were doing on-premise as it is on the DR side, including the Exadata, which is one of the areas which is a complex thing because they were sharing that particular Exadata with the entire group, and then we have to take that particular piece, attach it onto the OCI side, as well as from the performance point of view, as well as from the security point of view. They were using Barracuda, as well as the WAF related things from third parties. That we need to have a cloud native side of the story on the OCI. So it is an army of people we have put in with because of the stringent timelines we have in place. And we made them go live in Jan this year, which is like the Q3 of the FY22. And we are successful in doing that. And then the CIO of Magma was very happy. He said, I've not seen a vendor like you where there is no strings attached and you supported going extra mile. And they were very happy. We have done a complete DR drill where their entire applications, their entire platform was running on OCI for one particular day and then switched back. That was one of the reasons where they were very happy because of the performance of what OCI Gen 2 brings in. Not only the Infolob's expertise, but OCI Gen 2 brings in the things. And this opened up a lot. Now, we just closed a deal for them on the moving their entire data center onto the OCI, which is a Q4 FY22 deal. And also post that, we'll be providing them the managed services, both for the DR and DC. And it has extended into the Punewala group, where now we're talking to them on providing our services. And they have almost decided to go to OCI, the entire Punewala group. And they are with AWS, they are with Azure, but again, there are some workloads as well as their entire workloads. They're planning to move to OCI as well. So that's which is exciting for us in the FY23.
Oh, thanks a lot, Satya. I mean, this is truly a great example of what this partnership can achieve in terms of customer outcomes. And I think there is just so much opportunity for us in India in the BFSI space, but even outside. I'm keen to hear from you on what are, given the success you've seen in FY22, what are some of the priorities or what are some of the areas that you as a business have outlined for growth in FY23? And how would you like Oracle to partner with you to scale this further?
First of all, looking at the success, what we had on the OCI side and the demand, which is there, we have planned, we got the approvals from the top management from my US office to increase the OCI staff to almost like hundreds of them. And we are currently having 100+ certified OCI experts in India. And we are in the process of ramping up the team very aggressively and also performing parallel projects on OCI. That is one thing. And how we started is like the alliances and channels team helped us in connecting with the sales, the partner manager like Raghu and all. We were working on it and then trying to expand it to north and south. So what we believe is wherever there is an Oracle workload, the only cloud they can go is an OCI Gen 2. And we wanted to expand and enjoy the success what we had with the current engagements.
Okay, thank you. No, this is, we will support you in that journey. And thanks a lot, Satya, for your partnership. Thank you for doing such great work. We are excited about the opportunity to scale within India and also supporting you, in your endeavor to expand into the APAC and the EMEA markets as well. Thank you once again for taking the time, Satya.
Thank you, Siddharth. It was a great experience being part of the Excite program because it all started when I was in Oracle when Garrett joined us from Adobe. Thank you.
Bye.